Last time I wore my boots, I wasn't very kind to them. I wore them at Plymouth Beach and they're still covered in sand and seawater, and that is the worst thing in the world for leather because it dries it out. Look where it's gone all white. You might notice your shoes go like that sometimes in the winter, like the sides of your cars. It's not good. So, damp cloth is filthy cloth, but it's just nothing but water on there. I get as much of that off as I can. I have dusted them off with a dry cloth first. This is just the salt and residue that's left, salt, sand. Poor things, I shouldn't treat my stuff like this. I really, really love these boots. I've had them since I was about 16. I used to wear them for going out. I used to wear them for Victorian costumes when I was teaching, and most recently they've been Reckless Rosie's boots, my pirate. Geeky science stuff. Leather's got a pH level of 4 to 5. White vinegar sits at around 2.4. Bicarb sits at about 8.3. So if you follow the vinegar with the bicarb, the two should almost cancel each other out. Animal-based oils are between 5 and 7. Coconut oil sits right up at 8 where bicarb was. So a bit of a balancing act. What you really want is for the conditioner to offset any damage that's been done by the cleaning solution you've been using and bring it back to about 4 or 5, which is what its natural pH should be. I've already done the other one, and I've already conditioned them, looking much better. Yeah, let's put the conditioner on this one. So, not entirely sure the ingredients of this one. It smells lovely. But I'm not sure what the other ingredients are, so I'm not going to advertise it because I prefer to use animal fat on leather to condition leather because that's what it originally had in it. I mean, you don't want it all still on there and in there because I think that will help it to rot, but you need enough in there to keep it supple. I find that vegetable oils and other things that aren't natural to the leather, or weren't natural to the leather originally, tend to dry it out and help it to rot. So if you can, mink oil is best. Let's do the boot strap. And doing the other one, I noticed I do really like these boots, but they're not all leather. They've got, for some reason, this weird cheapy fake PVC crap on the inside. And on the inside here, that's not leather. That's why it's uncomfortable against your legs if you're wearing stockings or bare legs. Okay, so that's looking much better on this side compared to that side that's just had a clean. Okay. Okay, gonna pay special attention to the creases because that's where it needs the most oil. It needs to be more flexible. those flexible creases nice and flexible so that they don't dry and crack. So that's why shoes crack right along the creases where they get the most pressure and the most bending backwards and forwards. Let's get rid of, we'll loosen these laces. A lot better, I'm a lot happier. Oh, much better, a lot happier with those. Yeah. And there's one that's had time to soak up. Right. Jojoba oil. I don't know. I think that's what the smell is. Jojoba. I don't know. Until next time.